So your expectation for accelerating wage inflation, how does that impact AMN?
So it's supply and demand, which sounds so stupid, but if you're
easy.
I mean, AMN sits in between. So if they can't convince the nurse to work, they have a volume deficit.
Yep.
They have to pass some of that wage increase on to the nurse. So they're a spread business. It should be generally positive for them.
Mm-hmm.
I think that has been the right call. They had some problems on guidance for Q2, on Q1, sort of the high-end specialty stuff, but JOLTS is up, healthcare employment's up. I don't want to buy it here at 60, but it was a good cover when we did, for sure. I think on the margin, what we're describing, the wage, is going to come through on the ASP plus. I mean, they had a pretty decent deceleration in pricing per FTE that seems to be hooking back up. So I think that'll continue, and that's obviously very accretive.
Got it. And on the late cycle, healthcare is counter-cyclical.
Yeah.
We're also at a time where the percentage of high deductible health plans is at its highest. Mm-hmm. So how do you think, if we're at the end of the cycle, if we do go into recession, how do you think about the utilization impact, given that there's more people on the hook for that first dollar spend?
Yeah, I mean, nobody knows. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I'll speculate. I'll speculate that I think the U.S. medical economy is unprepared for any kind of incremental uptick from here. Mm-hmm. I think it'd just be really tight and awful.
Yeah.
And if it's a fear-based consumption, which we got through essentially the end of 07 and 08 and into 09 extended by COBRA benefit, when that fell, that was really surprising. So you get this kind of window of about 24 months where your mix gets bad and volume goes up. So I'm getting paid less, but I have to employ more people.
Yeah.
And that's sort of a difficult transition time. It doesn't fall off a cliff until 18 months later. But so I think it'll be really difficult wage-wise.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of our position monitor, health equity, right, would probably be if we are at the end here and you expect utilization to increase and interest rates to go down, health equity would be really interesting.
On the short side.
On the short side, yeah, because HSA balances will be drawn down,
right,
and then at the same time you lose your interest rate bull call with the stock that's trading at 40
whatever.
Yeah.